me. I got it draining. We're on Ole Red today. Got a new radiator put in it because it was getting hot yesterday. It was getting hot yesterday. That's got a spring in the face. So we're getting a new radiator and a new thermostat, an electric fan, and transmission cooler. So that's the kind of stuff we're doing today. So I'll come back whenever I got this thing tore all apart. It shouldn't take me long. Alright guys. Okay, so we got the first part of it in. Got the transmission cooler on. Got the bracket made. And transmission cooler on. Now since I got space, I'm going to do the thermostat and get that done out of the way. So that's next. Alright everybody, I got the wiring done for the big fans. Hook them up to the battery like they should be. I got a wire running there to the cab on the ignition switch. But I want to do a quick tip. Okay. So zip tie. These, no. No. Do not use dikes to remove the tails off zip ties. Grab them with your side cutters like this. Twist them. And they'll come right off. Okay? And then you have no sharp edges. Because these zip ties will lay you open like a damn razor blade if somebody cuts them off wrong. But yes, do not use dikes to cut zip tie tails off. Bad mechanic. Don't do that. But anyway, like I said, we have 4 breakers and 4 relays. Because I like breakers and relays because they're safe. I'd rather those burn up than the rest of my vehicle. These will just come on with the ignition switch. And for right now that's fine. I got a new intake. I don't know when I'm going to put that on, but I have a new intake to put on it. And then I can put ground switches in for temperature. And that way once it gets up to a certain temperature, the low side of the fans will come on. And when it gets past that to another temperature, it'll kick on the high speed fans. So, but yeah, that's the wiring. I got to clean it up a little bit more, cut those zip ties off. But yeah, we're about ready to fire. 15-20 minutes or so. So I'll come back then. Hey guys. Well, I got the radiator done, got all the wiring done on it. I've had it running for a few minutes to get up to temperature, and it's running a nice low temperature, probably close to 160 on the gauge. But here, I'll show you something. Okay. Fans make it sound like a jet plane. Okay, now you can see it's up there about middle ways. Sure, on camera it doesn't want to just start right up. You can just watch that gauge. It creeps on back down there. And that's where it'll stay. Right there on the third line. So I'm guessing that's about 160 on that gauge. That's where it wants to sit. But hopefully I won't have any problems this summer with that big radiator. And thanks for watching, guys. I'll get this up in the next day or so, I guess. But I appreciate everybody that subscribed. Last I checked, I was at like 431, so I'm getting close. And I appreciate everybody that has subscribed and followed me. And make it to the No Name Nationals, I'm pretty sure. So, still sitting here just letting the truck idle. I might take it for a drive later. See if it'll still stay cool even at highway speeds. Because that's where I was having my biggest problem with highway speeds. Yesterday I was having some problems with it in traffic. So, hopefully I've cured that too. But, later guys. I'll see you around.